I am Mr. Sandeep Dattatreya Kardile, M.Pharm Pharmaceutics, lecturer, Mula Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sone, and I am giving presentation on Drugs and Magic Remedies Act 1954 and Rules 1955, Part 2. First of all, contents of presentation: classes of prohibited advertisements, classes of exempted advertisement, names of the diseases, disorder, and continuous conditions as per schedule, offences and penalties. First of all, classes of prohibited advertisements. So, under section 3, first, prohibition of advertisement of certain drugs for treatment of certain diseases and disorders. A. For the procurement of miscarriage in women or prevention of conception in women. Or B. The maintenance or improvement of the capacity of human beings for sexual pleasure. Or C. The correction of menstrual disorder in women. Or D. The diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of any disease, disorder, or condition specified in the schedule, or any other disease, disorder, or condition by whatsoever name called, which may be specified in the schedule or in rules made under this act. Second, prohibition of misleading advertisement relating to drugs. Subject to the provisions of this act, no person shall take any part in the publication of any advertisement relating to a drug if the advertisement contains any matter which a. directly or indirectly gives a false impression regarding the true nature or character of the drug, or B. makes a false claim for the drug, or C. is otherwise false or misleading in any material particular are prohibited. 3. Prohibition of advertisement of magic remedies for treatment of certain diseases and disorders. No person carrying on or purporting to carry on the profession of administering magic remedies shall take any part in the publication of any advertisement referring to any magic remedy which directly or indirectly claims to be efficacious for any of the purposes specified in section 3. Fourth, prohibition of import into and export from India or certain advertisement. No person shall import into or export from the territories to which this act extends any document containing an advertisement of the nature referred to in 2-3 above. Classes of exempted advertisement or provision for savings. The following classes of advertisement are not prohibited under this act. First, any advertisement relating to the drugs printed or published by the government or any other person with prior permission of the government. Second, any advertisement relating to a drug which is sent confidentially in a prescribed manner to a registered medical practitioner. Third, advertisement including any book or treatise, a written or printed composition dealing with any matter relating to the diseases. Any sign, board, or notice displayed by a registered medical practitioner on his premises indicating that treatment for any disease, disorder, or condition specified in section 3, the schedule or the rules made under this act is undertaken in those premises. Or any advertisement relating to a drug printed or published by any person with the previous sanction of the government granted prior to commencement of the Drugs and Magic Remedies or Objectionable Advertisement Amendment Act 1963 bracket 42 of 1963 provided that government may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, withdraw the sanction after giving the person opportunity of showing cause against such withdrawal. First, advertisement relating to the drugs which comply with the required conditions as follows. A. Leaflets or literature along with the packings of drugs or advertisement of drugs in medicinal, pharmaceutical, scientific and technical journals. B. Therapeutic index or price list published by licensed manufacturer, importer or distributor of drugs or medical literature distributed by medical representatives with the condition that the advertisement should contain only the information required for the guidance of registered medical practitioners regarding A. Therapeutic indications, B. Route of administration, C. Dosage and side effects of such drugs, and D. The precaution to be taken in treatment with the drug. Second, the distribution of such literature should be given to registered medical practitioner, dispensaries, hospitals, medical and research institutions, chemists and druggists, or pharmacies. Then, names of the diseases, disorders, and conditions as per schedule. First, appendicitis, arteriosclerosis, blindness, blood poisoning, Bright's disease, that is of kidney, cancer, cataract, deafness, diabetes, diseases and disorders of the brain, diseases and disorders of the optical system, diseases and disorders of the uterus, disorders of menstrual flow, disorders of nervous system, disorders of prostatic gland, dropsy, that is edema, epilepsy, female diseases in general, fevers in general, form of structural changes of female bust, fits, gallstones, kidney stones, bladder stones, gangrene, glaucoma, goiter, heart disease, high or low blood pressure, hydrocele, hysteria, that is uncontrolled emotion, etc. Lastly, offences and penalties under DMR Act. Penalty: whoever contravenes any of the provisions of this Act of the rules made thereunder shall on conviction be punishable. A. In the case of first conviction with imprisonment which may extend to 6 months or with fine or with both. B. In the case of subsequent conviction with imprisonment which may extend to 1 year or with fine or with both. Lastly, references after that. Thank you.